Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'll be sharing some makeup tips that will be helpful in summer. Now summer is here and it's very difficult for us to manage with makeup, and it's very difficult for the makeup to last longer. So in order to solve these problems, I've come up with some useful tips that is gonna help you this summer. So before starting with the video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and to know more about these makeup tips, keep on watching. Now I know how difficult it is to apply layers of skincare products on your face before you start up with makeup, and especially when you apply the sunscreen, it makes your skin feel so greasy and look oily. So in order to avoid this thing, what you can do is take the sunscreen that you are using and add the amount of sunscreen that you need to apply on your face, and along with it you can apply either your foundation, or you can even apply the sunscreen along with the concealer and then mix this thing and apply it on your face. So this not only helps in avoiding that white residue that is left on your face when you apply a sunscreen, but it also helps your face from getting tanned due to the harmful sun rays. So because it is very difficult to blend the foundation after the application of a sunscreen, you can try this and I'm sure you will like this. Another thing which you can do is buy a foundation or a concealer which has got SPF included in it. So instead of mixing two products, that is a foundation and the sunscreen, you can straight away apply only the foundation that has got SPF in it. You can also look for compacts that are available in the market with SPF. Now this one from Maybelline, it is a super fresh compact and it has got SPF 28 PA++. So this gives you sun protection and also does the work of a compact powder. So you can look in for these products, especially in summer, that has got SPF, and in that way you can prevent your skin from getting damaged. So the second tip is to apply a face mist on your face, because our skin goes through a lot during summers and it gets dehydrated. So in order to feed our skin with the proper amount of hydration, you need to carry a face mist always in your bag, so that you can spray it whenever you feel that your skin needs that ample amount of hydration. You get that instant freshness and your skin feels plumped up. So the one I'm using is the Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water. Instead of this, you can use any other rose water or any other face mist, and that will do the work. So the third tip that you must remember is, before starting with the makeup, what you can do is take some ice cubes and apply it on your face for some time. So what this is going to do is it minimizes the pores, reduces sweat, and it makes your makeup last long. So application of ice before starting with the makeup is an important tip that you must remember this summer. Now many of us, we forget to reapply the sunscreen, and we suffer from uneven skin tone due to tanning. So in order to rock the uneven tan, what you can do is apply a bronzer on your face. So make sure to use a bronzer that is gonna match with the uneven tan on your face. So by applying this bronzer of a darker shade that matches to your skin tone that is tan, by doing so your uneven skin tan looks sort of even and you get that sun-kissed sort of a look. So the fifth tip is applying lots of skincare products on your face and applying less makeup. But that does not mean that you will not at all put any makeup. You can apply bright lip color, a little bit on the eyes. You can apply the same lipstick on your cheeks to get that flush of colors on your cheeks, and you can put the mascara on your eyebrows and enhance your brows. So you must remember, the minimal the better in summers. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if these tips worked for you, and if you have a great tip to share, do comment down below and let me know. And don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you for watching. I shall see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.